What's up traders? Welcome to live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We'll be doing live trading session. In this time, we'll be analyzing multi-time frame analysis. We'll do all the pairs that we'll analyze according to your request, as well as my pairs that I think that could give us a trading opportunity. And at the same time, you know that today there will be a news release during this live trading session just after an hour from now. So after this news release, we highly likely that we'll find a trading opportunity. As you know that yesterday in this live session, I have given this trade signal on AUD which has given us a good profit. We just have close the trade more than 1 to 1, almost 1 to 1.3 risks to reward. We just closed this trade with a good profit, and at the same time we are running some more trade with profit. We'll discuss all of them. Now before we jump onto the discussion, make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Now from this AUD trade yesterday, if you made money, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure that everything is showing in this channel is only for educational purpose. Nothing, there is no it's not any kind of trading or investment advice. So at this point, let me quickly explain about the AUD that we secured our BIP members. Now it's not about that we are showing you what trade we are winning. Is you have seen this trade is given in this live stream. So what is working, that is where you can learn from. This is the universal law that what is successful, copy that. So this is a successful trade. So let's now analyze that. This is the key point of becoming a successful trader, is always analyze what is working and at the same time analyze what is not working, and do more of what is working and reduce of doing what is not working. And that's how any business, anyone can become successful. So with that being said, let's see AUD trade. Why? As you have seen in my weekly forex forecast as well, this pair has been analyzed and the price did according to the analysis. Going to the daily time frame on AUD, you see there is a nice looking pin bar. Okay, it's a awesome pin bar. Now if you see a pin bar, that may not give you exactly a trading opportunity. This is the daily chart. Then what kind of pin bar you should trade? First of all, the first thing, always when you open a chart, what you will do is look at the trend. Okay, keep in mind, as soon as you open the chart, look at the trend. This is the key point. Once you found the trend, then look at where the price is in terms of trend. Is it in a support, resistance, in the middle channel, wherever it is? So AUD if you look at the bigger picture, this is a clearly defined downtrending market. So AUD downtrend. Once you found the trend, then you decide either you will be buying or selling. Because it's in a downtrend AUD, you will be only thinking for selling in this market. Now what you have seen, that there is a daily pin bar which has crossed the 20 period moving average to the upside, and then created a series of lower high, created a head and shoulder, and that's a perfectly reversal pattern. So once you have found this, that is where you are about to take a short trade. Now we saw that on the opening of the day, AUD has opened with a gap opening. That's what I expected, and that means that that's a high probability that this trade will continue to drop. Now we found a daily signal. Now if you are a smart trader, you definitely not going short based on daily time frame. You should go to the 4 hour and wait for a proper signal, and that is what we have found, that with this red bearish engulfer, we have seen that AUD-CAD crossed the high, created a kind of false breakout to the upside, given us a bearish engulfer. In this big move, there is only one green candle that is not in this movement, can give us a significant level of support, and that's what we did yesterday. In this zone, in this dot line, we placed a pending order, and I have given this in this live stream, as well as I have sent it to our VIP member as well, with exact entry, stop loss, and take profit target. So what I did, this is the trade signal that we have sent to our VIP members, and at the same time today, instead of taking profit when the price was at the top, again we have added another position on NZD-CAD. That's what you have to do when you are winning. Add position, okay, add to the winning position, close the losing position. That is the key to become successful. You see that most trader makes that mistake, that they normally add to the losing position, that averaging the losing position. It's a famous, it's called a Nightingale strategy or something like that. So that kind of strategy can destroy your trading account. So whenever you are losing, just cut it short. Do not add to the losing position, but add to the winning position. That's how traders become successful, and that's what I did. I have added one more position to CAD pairs, which is NZD-CAD. This is the trade signal I have sent today, as you can see, to our VIP members. Now the same analysis is applicable to the NZD-CAD as well. You see that now we closed AUD-CAD with a good profit, but NZD-CAD is still on. That's what, so we secured profit. Now let me tell you why I have opened the NZD-CAD again. Why? The reason is, you see the same kind of pattern. NZD-CAD also has created a head and shoulder here, okay, in this zone, and after this head and shoulder on the 4-hour, we saw the price broke down, tested this later with this doji. NZD-CAD basically tested this previous support here, tested as resistance, and then it is likely to drop. Now why this candle specifically is an entry candle, that's what you need to know. This is the key point. Even you know what to trade, if you don't know what candle you should enter, you may not find a good trade. Let me tell you, when you see a reversal pattern, let's say a head and shoulder, it's a popular reversal pattern, right? When you identify a head and shoulder, don't jump on a trade, okay? Wait for the price to test this support as a resistance, and wait for a candle that will give you a entry opportunity. Support test as a resistance. Support test as a resistance doesn't mean that the price will go there and you will sell. No, you need to wait for a, let's say, a doji, a bearish engulfer, a pin bar, what kind of price action, any kind of price action that is a selling, then you can sell, then you can consider selling. So there is a millions of examples I can show you. Let's say this one, AUD-CHF. Look at this one here. Okay, what you saw, that AUD-CHF has created a nice kind of reversal pattern here. You can say this is, you can define it as a head and shoulder, triple top, double top, depending on what time frame you are looking. And the price broke to the downside, big breakout. You see the price went above. You see the tested this previous support here, okay, as a resistance, and then closed with a strong rejection with a pin bar. Okay, so that is where the entry candle, okay, that is where, that's how you will trade reversal pattern. Now NZD-CAD, AUD-CAD, the same kind of thing. You see that NZD-CAD tested this head and shoulder as a resistance, this support. That means that we can expect NZD-CAD now to melt to the downside, as this over the long term it's a bearish market. Hopefully that you found value in this one. Now let me see how many of you guys in this live chat, and You can write down anything, any story you want to tell us on the live chat. I will try to answer. I'll try to give you as much value as possible, and at the same time keep in mind that today there will be news release, as I mentioned, so most of the trades comes at the end of the session. So don't forget to stick till the end of this session to see what's happening in the market, how we are trading, and how you can take the advantage of it. Just one thing, make sure that smash the like button, okay, if you haven't done yet. Did you do that? Thank you. When you smash the like button, it helps this live stream to be visible to more people. And also, if you didn't subscribe yet, please press that red subscribe button. That's a kind of love to me from you. So when you subscribe, I receive the love from you. Thank you for subscribing and smashing the like button. Really helps this channel. You guys and girls are keeping this channel alive, and thank you for that. So with that said, let's see. Dason, that's a good writing, Dason. Thank you for that. Chadrick, good afternoon, Usdjpy from South Africa. That's great. Danashakar, good evening, coach. USD is still bearish momentum. Your analysis good for beginners. Thank you. No problem, Danish. Thanks a lot for mentioning it. Yes, USD is still bearish. Let's see what happened later today. Hi sir, how are you? I'm good. King Desta, hello. Khalid, hi Khalid. Pawin, hello boss. Market very hot now. Yes, Pawin, absolutely. We are also hot. Get ready to have a hot sauce. Sandeep, hello, how are you sir? I'm good, Sandeep. Wisdom 2, hi coach, good to see you again. Thank you, Wisdom Uru. Sherry, good day, Sherry. Alexander, hi. You Kazua sir, Dora Usdjpy, please. For those who had a complicated username on YouTube, please try to write your name so that I can spell it properly. Sometime if you have a complicated username, I find it difficult to pronounce the name. Grandson, AUD USD, we'll look at it. Gold, yep, we'll look at it. Master, hi Wizard, you have it all in tab. Thank you. Kakulan, how are you? Euro GBP Kakulan, Abdullah Ali, good day coach. Could you please explain about Euro dollar GBP USD? Are they will go down or any change reversal? Okay, so I see a very good request. Pure FX, Mahmoud, how do you take mentorship? How do I take your membership? Mahmoud Usman, you can go to the link in the description area. The first link you will find below this video. Go to there. This is the website for Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you will find all the information and how to join. You just click and then join. That will be awesome to see you on board. I'll suggest you to join lifetime access so that you can learn my strategies and also trade with us. Jason, good evening from Indonesia. Thank you, Jason. Grandson, sir, I do meditation every morning about trading, and I can see much improvement in my psychology. Very good, grandson. That is awesome. Meditation really helps. If you're serious about trading, I'll suggest you to do some meditation. That's really helps because it will help you to stay calm and focused, and overcome emotional response. And hello to Chindi Angular, GBP JPY, please. Thank you. So let's begin with some of the pairs that we already discussed with AUD CAD and ZD CAD. So let's see now what's happening with yen, British pound yen. So GBP JPY. Okay, now GBP JPY, let me see a bigger picture, then I will know what's happening. Now at this point, you see this is the monthly chart. Why you need to look at the monthly? Because monthly, weekly will give you a direction in the market. Daily, 4 hour and lower time frame is for entry. This is always you can hear from my analysis. but that's the way you can approach a market to find a right trading opportunity. Now monthly, what we see that Gbpusd currently in a very strong level of support here. Okay, this is the support zone on the monthly time frame. There is a monthly opening and close, and monthly opening and close is really important. What I think that if Gbpusd on the daily time frame cannot break this level of support, we might see now an uprise. The reason is because it's an overall uptrending market. Okay, but in case this monthly level of support is broken, that we could see a different story. We could see another drop to this level. Okay, so let's see now weekly. Okay, weekly, this is the weekly time frame, and we see that the price is now approaching this level of support. This dotted line is a really important level of support, because this is the monthly opening and closing, and also this is the preview. You see that when the price was moving from down, it created a double bottom on the lower time frame. If you look at the daily, you will see that there is a double bottom formation here on the daily, and the price broke above. Now currently you see the price is just exactly this neckline on this resistance, now testing as a support. Now it depends on how this daily candle is closing. If we see that a significant rejection from here, okay, on Gbpusd, and if we see that bullish pattern has been created on the lower time frame, chances that we will see another push to the upside. Okay, otherwise we could see continue to drop if in case this monthly support is broken and close back below. Now on the 4 hour, after the previous 4 hours bearish candle, we saw a response to the downside. Okay, now there is a lot of things depending on this level. As I told you, see this is the daily resistance that we have seen. We could see potentially a drop further, but depending on, now at this point I will not do anything with Gbpusd. The reason is I need to see either now what it is doing. It is preparing for further drop, or it is preparing for a rise like that. Okay, so that's why now risky to trade Gbpusd, because it's overall bullish market, but the price now in a very crucial zone. Okay, from here we either could see a drop or could see a rise. So how we'll be approaching, let me tell you what we need to do now at Gbpusd is to wait for this daily close. Looks like that we could see further drop. Okay, we could see potentially, but let's see what happened. No one can tell, because the price already crossed the 20 period moving average on the daily time frame, and chances that we might see this one closing as a doji. Okay, and if this one closing as a doji, we could see an uprise and then drop. So we need to see a clear bullish pattern for buying, or we need to see a clear bearish pattern for selling. Okay, so at this point at Gbpusd, I'm not touching anything, because it's now time for the price to show us direction, which way it is going. So keep aside Gbpusd. Let's see what you guys and girls are up to. Let's see gold. Okay, now gold, just before the live stream, I have posted a trade signal to our VIP members, which is running in some profit. Okay, so the trade signal is a quick one, because the reason, let me tell you, let me explain why I have sent this signal, and I'm sure that we should be winning this trade. And let me explain to you so that you can learn why I have taken this gold trade and why I have sent this to our VIP members, and you can learn from it. At the same time, I will explain clearly. That will be really helpful for you to learn this kind of trade. So this is the trade signal that I have sent to our VIP members. So later we entered by the market, but this is the pending order that was sent to our VIP members. Now if you want to join our team, VIP members team, learn my strategies, the link in the description area, you will find it. We are almost hitting the profit target on gold. Hopefully we'll do hit profit target during this live session. The reason is, you see, you have seen my weekly forex forecast on gold. That what did I say? That gold will create a fake move to the upside, and this is what exactly it did. Okay, now at this point, why did I enter now gold after this red candle? Let me tell you. First of all, you see gold has created, first of all, a fake move to the upside here, and then what happened? Gold broke down, right? It's a strong breakdown. Now what it did, basically it broke this level of support completely to the downside. Okay, gold, this is the 4-hour time frame, and you see that gold has broken this level of support completely. Now which way the bias of gold is to the upside or downside? This is the question. Look at the bigger picture, then I will tell you why I have taken this trade. Our profit target at 1816.53. Now let me tell you why I have taken this trade. Go to the monthly time frame. You see there is a monthly close, the previous one, like that. Okay, red body, okay, with a long wick at the bottom. So when you see in any time frame a red body with a long wick at the bottom, if it is in a downtrend, high chance that the price will go up little bit and will come back, will feel that wick at least 50%. That's normally happen over and over in the market. So what we have seen previously, gold went above to this level, right? This is the monthly 50% zone, and also there is a long wick monthly candle here, right? Let's draw this level here. Okay, now this level is quite significant because there is a resistance here on the monthly, here resistance, okay, and there is a resistance, right? So on the monthly we found a resistance. Going to the weekly, we saw that on the weekly there is a fake move, and then there has been a strong move down. Okay, so we saw that now gold is, so this is the weekly chart, and we saw you can say it's a strong bearish engulfer has been created on the weekly time frame. Going to the daily, there is a fake move. This is a bearish engulfer. So this kind of bearish engulfer is really strong. It's a sign of trend change. So we see that gold basically crossed the up to the upside and then closed back below. Now going to the 4 hours, so we saw all time frame is supporting for shorting. Now we found, see, for the high, from the higher time frame, from the daily time frame, we found a direction. Now at this point, you see this is the 4 hour time frame. When this candle was closed, this one, let me replay the chart. Okay, when this one closed, I know that it's time to go short, and that's what you need to know. Why? You found the direction, you made the analysis, you found the direction, right? Down, everything from monthly, weekly, daily. Now the next thing, you need to wait for a price action confirmation. That means that a pin bar, a hanging man, a bullish engulfer, bearish engulfer, like that. Now this one, look at this red candle. That's what you have to wait for. This one exactly tested this. You see, this is the support here, okay, resistance here, support here, support here, support here, with this big green candle, support here, tested as a resistance, and then closed as a bearish engulfer, perfectly defined bearish engulfer. And then what did I do? I have entered a short trade from here. Now this one is a quick one. It's our stop loss, our take profit is 1816. Let's see if I see further opportunity during this live session. I'll definitely share with you how we can trade again. It's hit our profit target. Okay, just hit our profit target. Our profit target was at 18 18. So yeah, it just hit our profit target. Now see, that's how you need to trade, okay, with a proper analysis. See, the thing that you need to do is you need to wait for three confluence. See, many, if you go to the other many places, you might be misguided, okay. People give you a lot of misinformation. See, you don't need a lot of stuff. The thing you need is couple of things. Firstly, find the direction, okay, from the trend. Confluence number 1. Confluence number 2 is find the area of value where it is. See, this is the area of value, support testing as resistance. Thirdly, price, find a price section confirmation for entry. That's it. You don't need anything much to become a consistently profitable trader, and that's how you will learn, you will grow as a trader, okay. So hopefully that you found value in this analysis, in this live stream. Make sure you smash the like button if you haven't done yet, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is the 15 minutes time frame on gold. The price really created a bearish candle. As you can see that on the 15 minutes, we see that gold has created now here a kind of head and shoulder, and then broke down. I think that it will continue to drop further, okay, because after this kind of, on the 4 hour, after this kind of bearish engulfer from this resistance, you can expect, because the gold already has a big move and it should continue to drop. We can say that, let's say 17, at least 1800 or less, lower than this, you can expect gold to drop today, tomorrow, slowly. So the gold is highly bearish now, okay, guys and girls. Now at this point, let's see what you guys and girls are thinking. In the meantime, if you wanna join Gbpusd channel to take this kind of trade, link in the description, you can check it out. So good afternoon, sir. Thank you, Jonathan. Pack the hi sir, gold please. We discussed already gold. Will come back again. In the meantime, you see that after 30 minutes there will be news release, so make sure you guys and girls you stay alert during this news release. If I find any trading opportunity, definitely we'll share with each other. As you have seen in the last session, AUD CAD was a good profitable trade for us. Prabudha, hello boss, how are you? I'm good, Prabudha. Nice to see you too. Bright Chakudi, good day sir, thank you for analysis of gold. Thank you, Chakuda. Gjpy wizard please. Yeah, Gjpy, yeah, we'll look at it. GBP, JPY and JPY pairs. So yeah, we'll look at it. How is it? AUD CHF is showing sell. So AUD CHF today early I have posted analysis. Yeah, AUD CHF already has given a sell opportunity, but you were running AUD CAD, that's why you haven't entered AUD CHF. TK boss, euro dollar, yeah, we'll look at it. Thank you very much. You are the only analysis that talk about the trade you take. This shows your confidence and you know what you are doing. Kingsley, very good comment, thank you for that's really helped me to stay motivated. I know that I'm a self-motivated, but I still need your motivation, and thank you for putting this value in this channel. Definitely, as you see that I do the live analysis, I do the live trade, and I review that trade. I show you what I'm doing. There is nothing about the past. Everything is clear and transparent. And thank you for being with this channel. Hi sir, can you analyze DXY for this week? Bless you. I got lots of profit since I'm joining your team. Thank you, Chem. Chem is our VIP member. Thank you for mentioning. Thank you. That's really feel good that my subscribers, my VIP members, everyone in this channel are really happy, and that's my goal. It's my intention is to help traders, because when I started my trading, I struggled a lot. Okay, I lost a lot of money. I have gone through a lot of difficulties, and so I understand actually how it feels like to lose money, how it feels like to feel hopeless, or even if I am not feeling hopeless but not finding any opportunity. That's really I understand how it looks like, and that's my goal, is to help the trading. Because when you create something from your heart, that becomes a masterpiece. And that's why Forex Trading Wizard Academy became such a successful academy, is because it has created from heart. I'm in Sydney, and in 2014 when I first started my trading, I thought that I knew everything. That's you really need to know as a new trader. So when you are new, be sure, because now at this point, after becoming so much experience, I feel like I don't know many things, trust me. But when I started trading, it feels like that I know everything. And I got a big account. I took a big account, and then I blown it up. $90,000 account. It's a good money for me that time, because it's all I had, and I have blown it completely overnight. It was devastating, but I didn't quit. I tried to find a way, and I know how it feels like to lose money. So there is a long way I have passed, but now it's my time for me to give what I have to you, if you're willing to take. So make sure you stay with this channel to learn, to grow as a trader. I have everything to make you profitable trader. The only thing you need to do is to be willing to learn and progress, and that is the key of being a trader. So let's see what's happening. I'm floating in USD CHF. Could you make forecast, sir? Yeah, thank you. Look at all of them. Summarily, sir, I have just subscribed to your VIP channel. Please let me know what is the benefit of VIP chat. Okay, Samaral Said, benefit of VIP chat is where you will be able to interact with other successful traders who are joined this VIP team, and you will be able to find informations. Even they post sometime trade signal. It's up to you, either you will take it or no, but you will be interacting. It's like a community that will help you. If you need any information, you can post there. They will help you, because they're really very good, such as Sam, Kakulan, Buma, Pawin. All of them are now for a long time in this VIP chat. They are really good at it, and I really appreciate the value they are putting there. So you can take the full advantage of it, but it's your choice how you will be taking this VIP chat. So hello Chief, thank you. Pabs, Tarek, do you think that we should wait for news to trade euro dollar Gbpusd? If you haven't traded yet, then I will say that you should wait for the news, because we don't know what's gonna happen in the news. Trevor Martin, hi, great analysis, thank you. Harmony. Okay, so I have got quite a few requests from all of you guys. That's really good to see. Now let's go back to British Pound US Dollar. Okay, British Pound US Dollar strongly bearish. Okay, now we saw that it has broken everything. Look at the monthly. We saw that British Pound US Dollar, after this monthly doji, immediately as soon as the monthly close, the sellers didn't make any mistake. They started to sell. Now what's gonna happen at this point? That's the question, right? Let me tell you where we can find a big bounce on British Pound US Dollar. To me, British Pound US Dollar might give a big bounce from here, probably. Okay, so which is nearing, but it's still, this is the monthly chart, still there is something to go down. Weekly, after the gap opening, we saw a big move. Now at this point, daily, This is the daily chart, and we have seen we see that the support is broken and the price is continuing to drop. Now going to the 4-hour. Now at this point, what I will be doing is, if this is the after 30 minutes there will be news release, right? Now this is the 4-hour candle. During this news release, if the price goes up, let's say to this zone, then I will be selling immediately just after news release. I'm telling again, if during this news release, if this candle goes up before closing somewhere here, I'll be selling even during this live stream. Okay, so stick till then, let's see what happened. But if it goes down, then I need to see what's happening, because why I will be selling if this one goes up during the news release is because the price already came here, right? Now if during this news release, if GBP/JPY does something like that, let's say it did something like this, for example, okay, let's say GBPUSD, pardon me, GBPUSD has done something like that during this news release. Okay, that means that it will never leave this week unchecked. We'll see a drop again, okay, to fill that week. So that is the goal of this selling. If the price goes up, let's say even if it goes up to this level, then I will be selling GBP/JPY. Even 1-to-1 could give us a good opportunity. Sometime I trade 1-to-1. Let's say the goal that we have just secured profit is because I know that, see, when you sell or buy 1-to-1 risk to reward, let me tell you, when you see 90% probability, okay, see, trading is sometime I also mention you that is all about risk to reward, is because if you become experienced, then you don't need to wait for the risk to reward. Trust me, try to understand what I'm telling. This is the key lesson as a trader. See, when you understand the probability, you don't need to wait for a high risk to reward ratio, because when you trade low risk to reward ratio such as 1-to-1, you need to find a very good trade, okay, trust me. But if you are a less experienced trader, let's say you don't have much experience, you can't draw support resistance properly, but you can just identify some kind of pin bar or hanging man, some kind of pattern, then I will tell you to always keep a high risk to reward ratio in all trade. Okay, I also keep high risk to reward ratio in my all trade. Okay, but when I see a very good trade, high probability, I sometimes trade 1-to-1 when the probability is 90% or more. Okay, 90% or more means that this kind of trade, if I take 10 out of 10, 9 will be winner. That situation I trade 1-to-1. Now let me give you an example that we have just closed a UDCAT that you guys also made money, I'm sure that from it. This one, okay, look at this. After this bearish engulfer, this is a 90% probability trade. Okay, why? Let me tell you again. When I started the session, I have discussed it. Let me tell you again. After this, let me replay this. This is the real thing that you need to learn. See, after this bearish engulfer, this is a 90% probability trade. Okay, if you trade this candle 1-to-1, that means that if you trade, let's say, short, okay, from here immediately, keeping stop loss just above here, and 1-to-1 like that, that is a good trade. 1-to-1, even you can take, let's say, 3% risk, no problem, 2% risk. When you have a good trade 1-to-1, increase a little bit of risk, but keep good risk, 1-to-1 risk to reward with a high probability. So the reason is why it is a good trade for 1-to-1 is because, first of all, daily there is a pin bar, okay, on the daily there is a gap opening. This is the daily signal, and the next day we saw that on the 4-hour the price crossed this green candle completely, created a false breakout to the upside, and then closed as a bearish engulfer. So from the daily time frame, you know that this price is dropping, and then on the 4 hour you found a bearish engulfer with a false breakout. There is a lot of confluence. So 1 to 1, you see the price is, and that's a good trade. You know, even next candle you will be hitting the profit target. So, but the reason I emphasize more on a high risk to reward is you will not always find this trade, the first thing. Okay, if you are a choosy, very patient, then you can pick. Secondly, you need a good experience and good analysis skill to find this kind of trade. That's why if you maintain a high risk to reward ratio all the time, then you don't need to panic yourself for a good risk to reward ratio all the time. But when you find, take it. Okay, or maybe you can, you know, take a, let's say you can take 2% risk on this kind of trade and close 1% on 1 to 1 and keep the rest running. There's a lot of strategies you can use. It's up to you how you will manage the trade. So this is one with AUDK. Let me see what you guys and girls up to. AUD CHF. Hello, is it? What about BTC? Okay, we'll look at it. BTC, dollar yen. Okay, let me see. British pound US dollar is strongly bearish, as we have discussed. Let's see, we'll be waiting for the news release. So all USD pair now we'll be waiting for news release, including the gold. So AUD CAD, AUD CHF. Okay, AUD CHF is let me see, monthly. I have already posted analysis on AUD CHF today, all CHF pairs. There is a news release on CHF just so tomorrow to Wednesday, after tomorrow 5:30 p.m. Sydney time. So when this news comes, the price become hot. Okay, the market is hot, so the price is hot. As Pawan said, that the pairs are very hot, so that's gonna be hot. That means that AUD CHF on the monthly time frame created a series of lower high and then started to drop, and I think that AUD CHF will drop a lot. It could be here. Okay, so there is still a big move to take on AUD CHF. Going to the daily, we saw that there is a, this is the daily time frame, and I think that what it might do, even tomorrow it might open with a gap and may continue to drop as after tomorrow there will be news release. So going to the 4 hour, then how we can trade AUD CHF. See, this is the, after 47 minutes this candle is going to close, right? If this one closes as a doji, AUD CHF, okay, let's say this one closes as a doji, the next one could cross the high or even could go around, let's say, half of this candle and could drop again. Okay, so that could happen. AUD CHF is still bearish. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so Hagai Kausa said that what's the link to the VIP group? Go to the description area of this video, you will find the link to the VIP channel. Hagai. Rizban, good day, Mr. Wizard. Sorry I'm late. No problem, you are all good. Cham said controlling emotion and money management are always win. 80% is possible. Hesitation is worst decision. That's true, absolutely. Vinod Tege, Vinod just have given 3 dots. I don't know what do you mean, Vinod. TK Boss, hello, big fan. I follow your analysis since 1.5 years, sir. Is real wizard of Forex. Thank you, TK Boss. Thank you. You are a good good man. Thank you for that. You mentioned you help this channel a lot, I know. Gbpusd, please. Yeah, we have already discussed it. Great work there, keep it up. Thank you. Chidito, CAD CHF, sir. So let's see CAD pairs, CAD CHF. Okay, CAD CHF CAD is always getting very stronger. Let me see weekly, okay, daily. Okay, so CAD CHF just touched the 20 period moving average here, and then we saw that there is a bullish move happen. Okay, after this touch of 20 period moving average, we saw that the price is going up. Now CAD CHF, I'm not gonna do anything because we saw a big breakout to the downside, but it's an overall bullish market. Okay, so we might see some up and down in this zone. Okay, some kind of up and down. So CAD CHF at this point, it's basically going for retracement for this move. CAD CHF now at this point not in a very good position for trading, because it's a overall bullish, so bullish is expected, but at this point this pattern is not a good one for trading until I see clear bullish pattern has been created on CAD CHF. Okay, so Usdjpy, same kind of thing. Let's see Aussie dollar. Okay, all US dollar including Gbpusd, AUD USD, Euro dollar is bearish. Okay, so we will be looking for selling opportunity, but let's the news released and then we'll look at how we can trade this kind of things. So let's see in the meantime some pairs that I think could be of beneficial. So AUD CHF, we need to see a doji and then we can think of AUD CAD. We have closed with this trade. Okay, dollar Swiss franc, as soon as it touched the 20 period moving average, we saw that the price aggressively moved up. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, yesterday as I mentioned yesterday about dollar yen, that dollar yen is likely to move along this channel. Looks like the dollar yen doing exactly as it is now. This is the 4-hour time frame. We saw that dollar yen doing some up and down, up and down, up and down, and I think that if you look at the daily, okay, you see there is quite a few doji has been created. I think that dollar yen might come for a sudden move, a red candle, and then could go up, and that's what I will be waiting now. I want to see, you see the price is creating a smooth trend line on the daily on dollar yen. I want this trend line to be broken to the downside, probably even testing this 20 period moving average, and then it will be a really good buy if in case the price come down. Okay, that's what I'm expecting for the dollar yen to after this consolidation to break down and then to create a bigger move to the upside. So at this point I will not be doing anything. I'm mentioning again, so what I will be doing is I will be waiting for dollar yen probably do something like that. Okay, something like that, breaking down. Okay, breaking to the downside from this channel and then going up again. Okay, so that will be really awesome. If it breaks there, I'll be waiting on the lower time frame for a selling opportunity. We need to see that dollar yen has broken out of this channel, and then we can consider longing opportunity with dollar yen. Let's see what happens. So this one is with dollar yen. Monica says good morning, Euro CHF please. Isa Kennedy, dollar yen, we have discussed dollar yen already. Let's see, sir, can you please look at CAD CHF? CAD CHF, as I mentioned, looks like it's not giving us a good trading opportunity. So Samir just joined today. He says The first trade with my VIP membership hit the target. Thank you, sir. No problem, Samir. Thank you for joining this VIP team. Stacker 9,000. Wow, very good. 9,000. Wow. So you got $9,000 profit. That's good. That's awesome. Euro AUD and Euro GBP, please. Yeah, we'll look at it, Kakulan. Let's see Euro AUD and Euro GBP. Euro AUD looks like explode to the upside, but let me see the bigger picture on the monthly. Okay, we could see further uprise on Euro AUD. The reason is, let me tell you, one thing you see, Euro AUD, when the price dropped here, you see this is the recent previous support here, okay, exactly here. What I think that, see, this support basically has not been tested by this doji. You see, this is a long doji. This support has not been tested properly with this doji. So what I think that Euro AUD will continue to rise to test this one properly, and then will come back down, and that could be a good sell. But at this point, let's see on the weekly. Okay, we saw that Euro AUD now is continuing uprise. So this is the support here, need to be tested as a resistance, and then expect a drop. This is the weekly, daily. So on the daily, okay, so this is the today's candle here. Let me see what might happen. There is a double bottom test with this red candle as a support, and then uprise. So 4 hour. Okay, so at this point, if Euro AUD, I think that it will go up again. As I told you, that this could be the case that Euro AUD might go up to test break all of this and test this previous support here clearly as a resistance, and then we might see that Euro AUD coming down. So in that case, until it reverses from here, I will be only buyer on Euro AUD. Okay, so to buy Euro AUD, the way it is going up, at this point there is no way to buy. But in case if it creates slow and narrow retracement, then we can buy Euro AUD. So Euro AUD, Euro GBP, same kind of pattern. Euro GBP, after this test of 20 period moving average on the 4 hour, we saw that the price strongly moved up. Now Euro GBP, it's overall it was a bearish market, but we saw that the trend has changed from this downtrend, and we see that this channel on Euro GBP has been broken. This is the monthly, and I think that it will go further up. Okay, it might come to this level. The reason is, you see there is a reversal pattern here. This support, this support has not been tested as a resistance, and we could potentially see Euro GBP is going up weekly. So there could be a greater move daily. Okay, so to trade Euro GBP, the price created a nice bullish pattern. Okay, Euro GBP, it's a really nice bullish pattern. The price first created an impulse correction, double bottom, impulse correction, double bottom, and now again push up. So the best zone to buy Euro GBP could be this level. You see there is a support here, there is a resistance here. Okay, resistance, and this channel is going up. So we need to see on Euro GBP, maybe today because the daily candle, you see this already, the price already moved well above, and we need to see the price coming back down here, testing, creating a long wick candle, and then we can consider buying Euro GBP bullish, but wait for a proper price action confirmation, then we can say that we can buy Euro GBP. Okay, so Monica says AUD USD, please, we discuss. So let's see, after 5 minutes there will be news release, and then we'll see all USD pair, guys and girls. AUD USD, Euro dollar, British pound US dollar, we'll see after the news release how we can find a trading opportunity, but at this point we need to see. Ali Abdullah Ali, okay, no problem, Ali Abdullah, we'll look at it. Hello, good to be here. Thank you for joining. Bayaranga Mike, please, GBP JPY, yeah, vacation time, evening, wizard, Euro dollar, please, love from Malaysia. Thank you, vacation, we'll look at it. Euro dollar, we are waiting for the news release for all USD pairs, then we'll look at it. So in the meantime, USD CAD, so all against all pair, USD is stronger, so USD CAD is stronger and ZD USD is weaker. So USD is stronger, so against all pairs USD is stronger. Now let me see USD CAD. You see it's a bullish after this bullish engulfer. USD CAD is continuing to the upside. Dollar yen, I think the dollar yen, we might see a break of this channel, and then we can consider going long with dollar yen. Okay guys, so let me see GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY is still bearish. At the beginning I have discussed it, as I told you that on GBP JPY the price is now just on this support. Why? Because if you look at the daily time frame, you see that there is a, on the daily, this is the previous resistance here on the daily time frame. There has been a double bottom formation on GBP JPY and the price broke above. Now what we see, the price came back to this level of previous resistance, now testing as a support. This is the daily time frame, and what I think that GBP JPY might create a bullish pattern from here. Okay, so at this point the price already dropped a lot because it's an overall bullish market. If you take your Fibonacci from the starting of this move to the end of the move, what we see that GBP JPY almost retraced at 61.8% Fibonacci level. So it doesn't mean that it will be bullish. Okay, sometime breakout happen that it may even break everything, but what I need to see now on the 4-hour GBP JPY, I need to create if it creates a bullish pattern, then we can consider going long with GBP JPY, because over the long term GBP JPY is bullish, but it could continue to drop. But at this point I'm not going to sell anything, because as you know that GBP JPY is over the long term is bullish. So let's see what happened. GBP and ZD. So news is releasing after 2 minutes. So let's focus on all the dollar pair. Let me short list, and we'll now watch dollar pairs including gold, and let's see what kind of trading opportunity is coming on the dollar pairs including dollar yen. So US oil creating bullish pattern, that means that CAD is getting stronger again. Okay, so let's see what's happening with dollar pairs. Aussie dollar. So what I'm expecting in this news release for euro is looking like a bit stronger than other dollar pairs. NZD USD, USD CAD. See, USD CAD sometimes gives us nice kind of shooting star. If it gives during this news release, that could be a nice one to buy again. Let's see, USD CHF. Let's say if this one closes here as a shooting star, buy opportunity. NZD USD. So I will be waiting for, where is Gbpusd? We didn't take Gbpusd here. Let's see. Okay, now is news time. Let's see how we can find a trade during the news release or after the news release. Okay, we'll keep eye on now British pound US dollar. Okay, if British pound US dollar, as I told you, if it close as a like a half body here with a long wick, then I will be selling during this live session, and you'll see how I'm selling so that you can look at it. USD CAD same like what this wickless candle. No, there is no wickless candle, but it's a full green body. So let's keep eye on this dollar pair for the couple of minutes. What happened? News release, can't see anything. 10:30 p.m. okay, let's see. Okay. Data released. Okay, same. Can't see significant reaction, or on the lower time frame maybe. Let's say 15 minutes. Okay, let's look at it, what's happening. Probably will do the same that we discussed. It might go up and then close as a, let's see. Okay, that's what I expected. A USD now dropping. Very good. So look at, we'll see what happened and then we'll trade. Okay, USD CAD. British pound US dollar. Aussie dollar. Let's see what happened. NZD USD. Okay, so this is gold. Gold is still bearish. So if it goes up, okay, that means that we already secured one trade on gold, as you have seen. So let's see if we can find another one. Okay, make sure you guys subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't do yet, and also don't forget to like the stream to help it. So let me see what's happening. Okay, as I told you, it's going up. That's what I am expecting. Even it could close as a like this, as a complete doji. Let's say AUD NZD. Okay, so pardon me, NZD USD. If it closes as a complete doji, then the price might break this high and then could drop, and that is where we can find a trading opportunity. First let it go completely close or go up, and then I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. USD CAD is doing as I told you. Okay, so I want it to close as a like this, USD CAD as a here as a shooting star, okay, like that. Then we'll buy with a narrow stop loss, maybe a couple of pips stop loss, and we'll take 2 to 3 times profit in a small gap. And that is how you have to trade. Let me see what it is doing first. I think that it will do like that, okay, and that's what I love it to do. Let me prepare my trading setup. So let's see, USD CAD, euro dollar, USD CAD. Okay. Let's say this hourly candle, let it come even down to the zone, not to the zone, let's say here. On the 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes. Okay, I will be more interested on USD CAD if it drops, okay, to this level. Let's say 29.12, something like that. That could be an awesome place to buy USD CAD with a narrow stop loss. Okay, let it come down first, okay. Probably you'll see that it is closing as a doji here, as I told you, as a shooting star. In that case, let's say if it close here, we might see, let's say 3 to 5 pips stop loss, and we can take 20-30 pip profit. Let's see what happens. First, you need to be patient. Patience is the key in trading, keep in mind. That's how I trade. I prepare a plan, and then I wait for the price to show some kind of pattern that I want to see, and only if I see, then I normally trade. Okay. So when I look at 4 hour, based on the timing, I clearly know that actually what might happen. That's why you need to master one time frame at a time. Don't jump onto time frame to time frame, time frame to time frame. If you master one time frame, because in relation to timing, in relation to the candlestick pattern, I know what might happen. I think that USD CAD might drop to this 1.2912 level. Okay, looks like that it is coming down. If it comes down here, okay, I'll buy. All right, immediately I'll buy, because after coming here it will have a bounce. Even if it close here as like that, the next one will go up, and that's the advantage I will take. So let's see, now it came at 18. So wait for this one come to, let's say, around 29.12. Okay, coming down. So in that case, we'll put a stop loss. Let's see if it comes here. Let's say if it comes here, then that's, if we put, let's say, our stop loss will be, let's say, okay, it's still 19 minutes to go. We'll first let the price come, but the way we'll trade now is, if it comes down to this zone, okay, then we'll be buying like that from here. Okay, if I'm trading alone, to be honest, what I would do is I will just put my stop loss here. Like I will take 3 to 5 pips stop loss, but because I'm in a live stream, so I will be a little bit of conservative. So what I will do, I'll put my stop loss here, and I'll take 1 to 1. Okay, so like that. All right, let it come down. This is the trade that we will be executing. If so, now the price at 1.2918. If it comes down to 1.2913, okay, then stop loss will be at 1.28991. that means the 13 pips stop loss, and we'll take 1 to 1. Okay, so that means the quick profit, because the price at the top, it could possible that it will reverse. So will not, I might change the stop loss zone, but let me see what happening with this one. We have only 17 minutes for this candle. Let it come down. Can anyone press it down to come here? If any one of you can do it, it will be really great. Press it down so that it come down here. If one of you cannot do, I see that many of you, almost 125 people, can all of you just press the pull, put the finger down to, so that it come back here, and then we can buy it. Okay, looks like that it's doing. Okay, let it come to 1.29, around 1.2 or 1.3. Let me see the 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes has created a bearish candle already. You see there is a red candle here. This candle could be, see our entry is exactly there. Okay, so this candle could be a nice buying candle. If the price come on, let's go to the 4 hour again. Okay, so what's happening? The gold, NZDUSD. Okay, NZDUSD is up at the top. No problem. If you don't get USD CAD, we might find a trade on NZD USD or NZD CAD. Okay, NZD CAD is pushing high. Aussie dollar, dollar yen. Let me see what's happening with other pairs. But I think that highly likely that this candle might close here. Let me see. So if NZD CAD, this one closes as a doji, then it could give us a selling opportunity, because NZD CAD already has, you see, this is a bear flag NZD CAD has NZD USD has created, and the price broke down. If this one closes here as a doji, that means that the price tested this support here as a resistance, and the next one is likely to come down. Okay. Even it could happen that the last 5 minutes will give this price to go up and close as a doji. So USD CAD, let's see on the 15 minutes. Okay, let's see what happened. Wait for the price to come back. We probably have to wait for the candle close. Let's see. So keep in mind, guys, tomorrow, so we'll look at it now, but before we look at it, so tomorrow also there will be news release. Okay, same time. So there will be a trade tomorrow as well, and after tomorrow, that means the tomorrow night is 10:30 p.m. Sydney time news release, and the same night 4 a.m. in the morning there will be big news on USD. And then next day Aussie dollar, CHF, GBP. So that's going to be huge this week. So in the meantime, let's see what's happening. Okay, let me see other pairs what they are doing. Let me quickly have a look all the pairs. Euro CHF started to move up. I think that it will continue to rise now. Euro is getting very stronger. It could continue to rise or it could continue to drop. Let me see daily. Even it could give us a selling opportunity because the price already remaining within this resistance. Let's keep Euro CHF in our list. Euro GBP, Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY. ZCHF on list. Okay, and Usdjpy. Let me look at the bigger picture. Monthly. looks like there is selling opportunity on USD Mexican peso. Monthly. List. Okay, so let me shortlist it now. So remove this one, remove this one. Aussie dollar, we don't see anything now. Euro dollar, there's nothing significant. Gold is still not, candle not closing. NZD USD CAD, dollar Swiss franc, British pound US dollar, Euro CHF. Okay, so we might find a selling opportunity on Euro CHF. Let me see. NZD CHF, Gbpusd. Okay, okay, so I'll be selling NZD JPY. Okay, let me see. And there is a selling opportunity on USD Mexican peso as well. So NZD Euro CHF. Euro CHF also has a selling, but it's a bit risky because on the monthly and weekly it's still bullish. Daily, it's still bullish. NZD CHF. Okay, so the trade that I will take, if you trade exotic pair, then for me USD Mexican peso sell. If you trade only exotic pair, I trade exotic pairs when I find good trading opportunity, because USD Mexican peso looks like that will bounce from this zone. So pending order here, just here, okay, on this neckline, stop loss here, take profit here. Okay, 1 to 5 risk to reward. If it drops, it will drop a lot. Okay, so that one for USD Mexican peso. NZD JPY, let me see. NZD CHF, So I would say that NZD CHF, selling NZD CHF, shorting from here, stop loss here 1 to 1.5 or 1.2. okay, so like this NZD CHF and USD Mexican peso trade. Okay, these are the two trade that also NZD, and if you don't want to take NZD CHF, NZD JPY, it might just drop from here. Okay, NZD JPY could break this high, so if we place a pending order here, stop loss here, take profit 1 2 3. Okay, so that one could be a good trade. Let me take, so any one of the NZD trade, either NZD CHF or NZD JPY and USD Mexican peso. USD Mexican peso is a good one. So I'll be taking this trade. Okay, so NZD JPY, yeah, these are the three trades that I will be, so any one of the NZD trade, NZD JPY or NZD CHF. So NZD JPY could go up, break this high, and then could drop. NZD CHF could go up a little bit and then could drop. So that three trades of NZD and USD Mexican peso could be a trade that can be taken. Euro CHF for now I will not be taking, because euro could drop from here directly, or high probability that it might go up because euro looks very stronger. Yeah, these are the trades that I have taken, and including USD Mexican peso. Let me send this to the PIP members. So Yeah, I think that Usdjpy will do that. Usdjpy, because there is a bearish engulfer followed by this doji. I think that it will just simply will drop from here. Okay, so let me send it to the Gbpusd. Yeah, so that's it. Hopefully that you guys and girls found value in this live session, and if you find value in this, then don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for joining this live session. Tomorrow there will be another high impact news release. Today I haven't found any trade on USD pairs. Instead I found, you see, NZD CHF now dropping, so that's a quick trade that we can secure profit. And I think that Usdjpy will do the same. Yeah, Usdjpy is dropping the same way. So if you found value in this, then don't forget to smash the like button. And also, if you want to join my VIP channel, the link in the description, you can check it out to the website. All the informations are there. If you have any question, you can use the live chat. All the question will be answered. Thank you. Don't forget to join tomorrow in this live trading session, because tomorrow there will be news release and probably we'll have a good trade on tomorrow.